everyone. Today we will see abacus of 2-digit number and 5's complement in plus also and in minus also. Shall I start, Jia?
Yes.
Close your eyes, stand straight and imagine in front of you there is a kit. Okay?
Okay.
Plus 1,
Plus 1,
plus 1,
plus 1,
plus 2,
plus 2,
plus 2,
plus 2 का complement क्या है? Plus 2 equal to plus 5 minus 3.
minus 5.
Minus 5.
Answer
1.
1. Very good. Next question. Plus 10,
Plus 10,
plus 5,
plus 5,
minus 4.
minus 4 का complement क्या है? Plus 1 minus 5.
Answer
11.
very good. Next question. Plus 4,
Plus 4,
plus 4,
plus 4 का complement क्या है? Plus 5 minus 1.
minus 4.
Minus 4 का complement क्या है? Plus 1 minus 5.
Answer
4.
very good. Next question. Plus 2,
Plus 2,
plus 7,
plus 7, 5, 6, 7.
minus 1,
Minus 1,
minus 5,
minus 5,
plus 6.
plus 6.
Answer
9.
very good. Next question. Plus 20,
Plus 20,
plus 5,
plus 5,
plus 3.
plus 3.
Answer
28.
very good. Plus 10,
Plus 10,
plus 10,
plus 10,
minus 20,
minus 20,
plus 5,
plus 5,
plus 3.
plus 3.
Answer
8.
8. Next question. Plus 5,
Plus 5,
plus 30.
plus 30.
Answer
35.
35. Next question. Plus 40,
Plus 40,
plus 2,
plus 2,
plus 2.
plus 2.
Answer
44.
44. Next question. Plus 40,
Plus 40,
plus 5,
plus 5,
minus 5,
minus 5,
minus 40,
minus 40,
plus 7,
plus 7, 5, 6, 7,
plus 1.
plus 1.
Answer
8.
8. Next question. Plus 6,
Plus 6, 5, 6.
minus 1,
Minus 1.
minus 2.
Minus 2 का complement क्या है? Plus 3 minus 5.
Answer
3.
very good. Thank you.
Thank you.